Let me show you how to pair your AirPods 4 with your iPhone. And to do this, first you will need to open a case with your AirPods. Then instantly you might see a pop-up on your iPhone with the pairing. If not, double tap underneath the LED lamp right here on the case. Let's close the case and then try it again. Then you should see that pop-up. We can click on connect. Now you can personalize the settings or functions for your earbuds. I'm gonna skip all of them, but you can turn them on if you like. Then click on continue and your AirPods should be successfully connected with your iPhone. We can open the Bluetooth settings for this iPhone and then click on the info button next to the AirPods to reveal all of the settings that you can customize. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.